preschool friends, it's Miss Cassie again, and I am here to read you another story. Today's story is called Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site, Bulldozer's Shapes. This book is by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Ethan Long. Let's get started. At a new construction site, Bulldozer revs up with delight. He sees the messy, rugged view. Woohoo! There's so much awesome work to do. Can you find any shapes on this page? Yes, I see a triangle. I even see a circle, a star, and even a diamond or rhombus. What shape are these small boxes? Yes, they are squares. Crane Truck will help to point the way. They'll get this site in shape today. What shapes can you find on this page? Great job! Big Bulldozer starts to run and push right through to start the fun. Crane Truck goes high to check the view and see what Dozer needs to do. Crane Truck plans the job with care. Wait! Crane shouts, start over there. Bulldozer nods. He's off to play and carves a squiggle on the way. Can you use your finger to trace the squiggle? Great job! He gathers boulders, makes a stack, charging forward and gliding back. With great power, he rolls and wrangles those rocks into a tall triangle. Can you trace the triangle? Awesome. When he moves great piles of ground into a circle, nice and round. Can you find the circle and trace it with your finger? Awesome job, friend. Now go left now, calls out Crane Truck, but watch that hole or you'll get stuck. Bulldozer clears huge piles of sand and forms a diamond in the land. Do you see the diamond? Can you trace it? Good job, friends. He collects all kinds of rusty junk into one massive metal hunk. And soon all of the mangled tangle is set into a neat rectangle. Can you find the stop sign? Yes, it's right up here. What about the rake? Can you find the rake? Yes, it is at the top as well. Nice job. Bulldozer moves 10 gravel hills with perfect skill so nothing spills. He gathers piles near and far and makes one mound shaped like a star. Good job. He shifts down hard to push and scrape and make a road an oval shape. Can you trace the oval shape? Great job. Crane Truck points, you're almost done. Bulldozer makes one last fast run. He moves away old trees and stumps and levels all the hills and humps. Now the site is flat and bare, a perfect, smooth, and giant square. Can you trace the square? Your turn. Good job. What shapes can you find on this page? Can you tell us what their names are? We have a diamond, triangle, oval, rectangle, star, squiggle, and circle. Good job, preschool friends. The end.